Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team. And it's not AI generated. Are you facing the error code trapper-FB105E1C while playing Far Cry 6? It's a common issue, but don't worry, we've got your back. This error often results from connectivity problems between your device and the game servers. It might clear up on its own after a few hours, but if it doesn't, we have a few solutions for you. Our first suggestion is to close the game and wait for about 10 minutes without pressing anything. Then, restart the game and see if the error persists. If the error remains, try rebooting your device and internet. Shut down your gaming device for about 4 to 5 minutes, restart it, and then relaunch the game. Check again for the error. If you're still seeing the error, and you're continuing the game from the main menu, try choosing and loading an individual save file instead. This simple workaround has helped many users bypass the error. Xbox users, we have a specific workaround for you. Go to your Xbox settings, choose Go Offline, and then try loading the game normally. If the game loads fine, go back to the network settings to revert back to online mode. If you've tried all the above fixes and the error continues, check the Far Cry 6 server status page. There might be an ongoing outage or scheduled server maintenance. Finally, if the Far Cry 6 servers are up and running but the error persists, reach out to the Ubisoft support team to report the issue. Here's how. Visit ubisoft.com/en-us/help/contact and search for your game. Then select your platform and choose the category that best describes your issue. At last, provide a full description of the issue and then select Open Case. In summary, there are 6 potential fixes for the Far Cry 6 error code trapper-FB105E1C. Close the game and wait, reboot your device and internet, load an individual save file, go offline on Xbox, check the Far Cry 6 server status, and contact Ubisoft support. With these tips, you should be back to gaming in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.